In this video, I'll show you how to present a PowerPoint presentation in Google Meet using your Android phone. First, open the Google Meet app on your phone and join or start a meeting. Before presenting, make sure your PowerPoint file is already saved on your phone. Now, open your presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, or any PPT viewer app. After opening the presentation, go back to Google Meet. Now tap on the three dots or More Options menu. Select Share Screen or Present Screen. Tap Start Sharing or Start Now when the confirmation appears. Your phone screen is now being shared in the meeting. Next, switch back to your PowerPoint presentation app and start the slideshow mode. Your audience in Google Meet will now be able to see your slides as you move through them on your phone. To stop presenting, return to Google Meet and tap Stop Sharing. That's it. This is how you can present a PowerPoint presentation in Google Meet using an Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.